Introducing Metra Jeep Accessories' new replacement camera and bracket for factory LVDS cameras on the 2020 and up Jeep Gladiators, the JP-JTKT. A cost-effective replacement camera with a resolution of 550 TV lines and a viewing angle of 185 degrees diagonal. The installation of the JTKT is quick and simple. You'll start by removing any panel from the tailgate to gain access to the camera. Depending on if your Jeep has a bed liner, it may be different than this video. These panels will be removed using a T25 Torx bit. After removing all the panels and safely setting them aside, you'll start by removing the camera housing. Start by unplugging the pink LVDS cable from the camera. There's a bracket that helps to secure the camera to the tailgate. You'll slide that bracket to the right. There's a small tab on the side of the vehicle camera housing. Decompress that tab to allow the camera to slide out from the front of the tailgate. Remove the camera bracket from the housing with a Torx T6H bit. Be careful, these look like rivets, but they're not. Remove these 3 screws and set them aside. You'll use them to secure the new camera to the bracket. The housing from the factory will be reused as well. Using the 3 screws removed from the factory, secure the new camera and bracket to the factory housing. These brackets are numbered. Number 1 is for vehicles with only backup cameras, and number 2 is for vehicles with the surround view system. It's important to note that the surround view system will not be retained using this camera. Mount the camera in the new bracket with the QC sticker and wire following the direction of the arrow. Once the camera is mounted and secured, pop it back into the tailgate. Reattach the securing bracket, sliding it from right to left. After running the wire to the desired monitor and aftermarket radio, the install is complete. For any more information on this product, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.